Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever people from in the whole wide world. It's an absolute treat, and then we've got Ears Drones with his is live on his TikTok on Ears Drones .2.0. Go follow him. I'm here up at Manor Castle in Sheffield. It's a bit snowy, a bit icy, a bit cold, -2. I'll be flying the Neo, and Ian's just got his Neo drone as well, so yeah, he's flying it for the very first time, so it should be interesting. I can see him going fetch. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, all that malarkey. This will be going on YouTube and TikTok, so have a good one. Obviously we just heard his dog going and he's away. He's using his goggles. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Bye.